Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Jett from the new movie Goat. Come join us for the easy step-by-step. Alright everyone, let's get started with Jett from the new movie Goat. And what we're going to do first is we're going to draw the head. So what we're going to do is right in the middle of the paper, I'm going to draw a curve like a rainbow. I did this right in the middle, left some space at the top, and left a lot on the side. From here, from this point of the rainbow, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Still leaving space on the side. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. And then this is like the top of his forehead. We're going to do the sides of his face. So from this point of the horizontal line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line that goes down. We're going to copy the same thing on the left side. And then what we're going to do is the same size that we made like the top of his forehead, we can make his chin. So if we want, we can come down, leaving space for his head. I'm going to make a dots, and I'll do the same thing for the right side. And then instead of a rainbow, we're going to make something that looks like a bowl or the letter U. So there we have his chin. And then what's going to be the easy part is we could just connect a curve from the side of his head to his chin. We came in with a curve as if we were going to make a hook, and we're going to copy that same design on the left side. And there we go. Look, we have Jett's head. And we could continue with the details of her face. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with her mouth, because her mouth is going to center everything for us. The first thing we're going to do is right above her chin, we're going to draw one horizontal line. This is the bottom of her mouth. And then from this horizontal line, we're going to draw a curve like the letter U that goes into a hook. So you see, we did a letter U and then a hook, and we'll copy that same design on the left side. And then from here, we could go up with a diagonal line that goes in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we're going to do one small curve that doesn't go super low, because we're going to do her teeth to connect these two lines. So there we have her mouth. From here, we could do her teeth. So what we're gonna do is, from this corner on the right side, I'm gonna make a curve like a smiley face, and I'll do the same thing on the left, and we could stop there. We could continue with the rest of her mouth. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a curve. We're gonna come in the middle of her mouth, make a point, and we're gonna make a curve to her mouth, and we'll do it on the left side as well. And then from here, we're gonna do like the top part of her lips. So from this point, we're gonna come out and curve out. Just like that. This is gonna be part of her nose as well. So here we have her mouth, her nose, and then to finish her nose, what we could do is we're gonna come up with a curve like a backward C. Do the same thing on the left side like a regular C. This is where her nose is. And then we're gonna make, just like her mouth, we're gonna make a curve to connect these two lines. This is her nose. We could do the outside layer of her nose. So from this point of the top of her nose, we're gonna connect it to the middle of her mouth with a curve. Just like that, and we'll copy the same design on the left side. So here we have her mouth, her nose, and the lips on top of her mouth. We could continue, we could do her eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in a little bit from her nose, and I'm gonna make a little small vertical line, just like that. I'll do the same thing on the left side. And then to make it look like her eyes are squinting, what we're gonna do is we're gonna curve up to a point, make a backward C here, and then continue to connect to this vertical line we did with like a curve that looks like an oval. This same design we're gonna do on the left side. So we mirrored what we did on the right. So we did that vertical line, a curve, a C, and then another curve to connect to the vertical line. There we have her eyes. It looks like she's squinting and she's angry. We can make a little curve that goes to the side of her head as a detail on each side. And then right in between of everything of her face, we're gonna make a little point, and we're gonna make something that looks like the letter V. These are just little details to her face. From here, we could draw her eyes. So in the middle, we're gonna do a big curve as if we were making a circle. Only thing is, we're not gonna touch the bottom of her eye. So we're gonna just make a curve as if we were making a circle. You could copy that same design on the left side. And then her eyeballs, They're little ovals, like points. They look like cat eyes. So we're just gonna make an oval that goes to a point and then copy the same thing on the left side. She looks super angry. So we could continue and we could do her ears. From this horizontal line we made, we're gonna make a curve that goes up above the rainbow. And then, since we're above the rainbow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down to the rainbow somewhere almost towards the middle, just like that. And we'll copy that same design on the left side. And the details inside her ear is we're gonna copy the same curve that we made like a rainbow. And then instead of curving towards the rainbow, we're gonna curve in towards her ear like this. And then we'll copy that same design on the left side, just like that. Now what we could do is we could finish with her teeth. So for her teeth, she's like super angry, she's like growling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right in the middle of her mouth and we're gonna make one vertical line, but this vertical line is not gonna touch the top of her mouth. We'll stop right there. And then her tooth will go horizontal and then we'll curve this side in. We'll do the same thing on the left side. And we're gonna do 2 more teeth on each side. Just like that. I didn't go all the way at the end because this is the bottom side of her mouth and this is the top, and this side doesn't really have teeth, and we'll copy the same design on the left side. And there she looks so angry with her teeth. We could continue, we could do her neck. So she has a really thick neck, so we're not gonna make it super skinny. We're gonna come out on her face more. So maybe where we ended these curves, we'll draw one vertical line that goes halfway down the paper. And I'm gonna copy that same design here. So I'm gonna come over and make sure it stops at the same height. And I'm gonna draw a vertical line that touches that point. There we have her neck. It's like super, super, super thick. And then from here, from her neck, we can make a curve that goes out to the side of the paper. That's her shoulders, and we'll copy that same design on the left side. And then we could draw the details like her arms, where we'll see them, and her jersey. So right in the middle of everything, of her face, of everything, we're gonna come down, make a point, and we're gonna make 2 diagonal lines that touch these points that look like the letter V. There we did 1 letter V, and then we're gonna do 1 more right under this. It's gonna be super thin. So we're just gonna copy this and leave just a tiny bit of space in between the 2. So there we have the collar of her jersey. And then the rest of her jersey, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 vertical line here to separate her jersey and her arm. Just like that. So now we have a jersey and an arm, and then we'll do the same thing to the left side. And there we have it. There we have Jett from the new movie Goat. Hopefully you guys found this super easy. I found it super fun. I love how angry she looks. But now we get to the fun part where we get to color her in. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color her in. All right guys, here we have Jett from the new movie Goat. Look how amazing she looks. So for parts around her mouth, I did it like a lighter blue just so it pops out more because she is a black leopard and the blues just make her pop out more. So hopefully you guys have fun, and remember guys, just like the movie, as long as you keep practicing, you'll get better, but always remember to have fun. I had so much fun doing this drawing. I know it's not perfect, but I enjoyed it so much, and I hope you guys did too. Please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more cool drawings. Bye!